Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Jaclyn Rae and I talk about all things beauty on this channel, so I hope you'll stick around and hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be something I've seen going around from a couple other YouTubers, and that's going to be PR makeup that I would repurchase. So this is makeup that I have gotten for free from companies that I've liked so much that I either have repurchased or will be planning to repurchase in the future, and that I do recommend. I wanted to keep this short. I'm going to make like continuations of this video so it's not so long. My videos tend to be very long, so I'm going to try to do like shorter videos so that you guys aren't having to sit here for 20 to 40 minutes. I apologize. But yeah, so if you want to see what makeup that I would repurchase with my own money that I had gotten for free, then just keep watching. All right, I am so out of my comfort zone with this lip. I'm more of a nude. I will wear like dark vampy shades or red, but pinks for some reason are so out of my comfort zone, and I don't know if I like it, but I'm making myself wear it on camera. But this might be the first and only appearance of a bright pink lip on this channel, so enjoy it if you like it. Alright, like I said earlier, I'm not going to be talking about a ton of products. I am going to break these videos out and kind of stretch them along, so we're not here for too long. So I'm only going to talk about a few handful of products that I would repurchase. So first, I do want to talk about the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. I love these. I know some people love them, some people hate them. I really enjoy this. This is like a summer staple for me. I did get this through the Influencer app, which anybody can use the Influencer app. You don't have to be like a beauty influencer to do it. You just have to have a social media of any type: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I will leave it down below if you want to sign up, and you just kind of review products and they'll send you little quizzes, and if you match, then they'll send you free makeup, which is how I got this. I love this for either using it as a all over like highlighter for my face, then putting foundation on, or my favorite way is to mix this with fuller coverage, thicker foundations for the summer, just to sheer them out, and just it gives this beautiful luminosity to the skin. So I definitely love this. I just shook it up, but it is like halfway gone. I've used this all last summer, and I think the summer before that. I've had this for a while. It does last you forever, and I know they just came out with a new one that I think is more rose goldy, but this one is like more champagne gold. I guess I could, you know, be a good beauty guru and swatch it for you. There we go. So it comes out pretty thick, so you don't need a lot, but here it is on the back of my hand, just very pretty gold champagne. It looks a lot better when I have a tan, but my real tan has now faded and my self tan has faded. So I need to get this paleness gone. I don't know. I love tan skin. I think tan skin is just so healthy and vibrant on myself. I mean, I've seen, like, my daughter has very fair skin and it's gorgeous, and she has that like pretty milky skin, and I love it. But on me, not so much. I need a tan. I wish I could rock pale skin, but I don't feel like I can. All right, next product is just the wrapper, because I've used this. I've purchased this myself, and the company did recently send it to me. I've used both, and I plan on repurchasing it. And it is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Bath Bomba. It's a bath bomb. Oh my God, it still smells like it. So I would definitely repurchase this. This is like the smell. You guys know I talk about Sol de Janeiro on my channel all the time. I'm obsessed with that pistachio smell that comes in their Boom Boom cream. And now they made a bath bomb. They have shower gel. They have body spray. And I have it all. I think I have everything but the shower gel. I really want the shower gel. I just haven't gotten it yet. But I love this. Like I said, I've used two of these. I purchased one myself. This one was sent to me. I will definitely be repurchasing. I think this is my favorite bath bomb I've ever used. Not only does it smell amazing, my skin came out feeling super soft. Like, it almost left like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it made my skin feel almost like I had lotion on. I love this. Definitely recommend. Definitely will be repurchasing. you just can't go wrong with Sol de Janeiro. It's like one of my favorite skincare brands. All right, next item was sent to me from Coastal Scent, and I did a review and demo tutorial on this palette. I love this palette. I would definitely repurchase this. I doubt I'm going to go all the way through it, but I would repurchase it if I ever lost it or it got broken or I did use it all. I do want to try more Coastal Scent eyeshadows because I was so impressed with this. I did a really pretty like blue like ombre look. I'll link it up in the cards if you want to check that out and check out this palette. Really do love this. It's a beautiful palette, very pigmented, not chalky, not really powdery. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with Coastal Scents. Okay, next product. I went to repurchase it today and it is sold out everywhere. I've been using this so much, it's halfway gone, and it's the new Becca Hydra Mist setting powder. I love this powder. I love it so much that I'm literally needing a backup before I run out just to make sure I'm never out of it. I mean, I've used this every single day. I think I've talked about it in my last monthly favorites. I think I used it in a tutorial. I think I just recently talked about it in a haul. I hauled it too. I've been talking about it a lot on my channel. I love it. This is the one that everybody's talking about here on YouTube, and I broke the cap, but it has like a little mesh catcher thingy, and it's the powder that feels wet. I'm sorry, my dog is like freaking out because my cat jumped. Leela, stop. Shush. Shush, shush, shush. But it feels wet when you touch it. It's insane. I've never felt anything like it. Like when you put your brush in it and you go to put it on your face, it feels like you've cleaned your brush and it's not all the way dry yet. So it feels wrong. It feels very wrong when I use it, but it looks so right. I love this on my skin. It doesn't look cakey. It really blurs out my skin. I don't feel like I look powdery and overdone. I definitely recommend it, and I think this is going to be my like go-to powder of all time. I think next I'm going to be filming my favorite face powders because I have a lot of really good ones. I just really like this one. I'm having a heck of a time trying to put this broken lid back on. It is like kicking my butt here. Oh my goodness. That's what I get for not taking care of stuff. This should have been in my use and abuse makeup, but I'm finding so many items that should have been in that used and abused makeup tag that I think I might have to do another one because I found like so many more things. I'm like, yeah, that should have been in there. This should be because I broke it because I've been using it so much. But definitely recommend that if you're on the fence about getting that. You've seen like everybody and their grandmother talking about it. There's a reason why it is legit good. Like if you have dry skin, you'll really enjoy that. All right, next item that I would definitely repurchase, and I've purchased this myself in the past, and Kevyn Aucoin did just send this to me, and is their sculpting powder, and this is in the shade Light. I'm wearing this today. I love this powder. Kevyn Aucoin is known for their sculpting powder, their contour shades. It's just really phenomenal. It's perfect. It's not too warm. It's not too cool. It's like that perfect gray shadow. It makes a perfect shadow for contouring. This is really good for nose contour. Even though I don't really detail contour my nose. I just do it a little bit. I don't know. I don't have that steady of a hand, but this is just a really beautiful, perfect contour shade, especially if you're fair. I would definitely recommend the shade in Light. It even works if I build it up. When I have a self-tan, I can build this shade up and it'll work when my skin's more medium as well. So I definitely have been enjoying this. I have purchased it in the past and I literally went through the entire pan of it. So I can guarantee you once this runs out, I will repurchase it with my own money. Okay, this next product will come to no surprise if you guys have been watching my channel over the past few months, and it is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I've almost gone, as you can see, it's probably halfway gone now. I love this. I love it. I almost like it. I just repurchased the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I use that, and I think I like this more. I'm going to say it. I like this more. That other one's really pretty too, but something about this makes my foundation look so good. It really hydrates the skin and adds this really beautiful luminosity to the skin and just makes it look like you're glowing from within. So I love this. As soon as I run out, I'm repurchasing. I can't live without this. I use this nearly every day. I have a couple more primers over there that I've been testing out, so I have given this a slight rest, but I love this and definitely do recommend it. And you guys already know one of my favorite highlighter formulas is the Becca highlighters. Now, Becca did send me this one in Moonstone, but I have already purchased, God, like every other one they have but Moonstone. But if they come out with another one, which they just came out with, like the Royal Wedding one, and I saw it on Beautylish and I want it, but I'm trying to talk myself out of it. But I absolutely would always repurchase Becca highlighters. I love these highlighters. They are beautiful. They are perfection. It's what I have on today. I have Moonstone on. Just a very beautiful pale light gold, especially if you have fairer skin. You would love this. They have shades for absolutely everyone. It's just beautiful. You can apply it with a brush, your fingers. I like to put a beauty blender in it and then dab it on, and it really melts it into the skin and kind of shears it out a little bit so it's not so intense, but you can build it up to where it's like, bam, see it from outer space highlight. I love Becca's highlighter formulas, and I mean, of course, I'm going to repurchase Becca highlighters because they are bomb. All right, and last product I'm going to talk about today is a foundation that I've used for years, but Estee Lauder was kind enough to send me it, and is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I love this foundation. I've gone through 2 bottles previous to this one, so thank God they sent it to me because I didn't have it. And I was like, oh, I need it. This is, I know it's strange to say, this is my go-to summer foundation. I know everybody's into light coverage, medium coverage, BB cream, CC cream type foundations. I'm not. I sweat so bad in the summer that my makeup will just melt off. I might as well either wear full coverage or nothing at all. So with this will last. I wore this all last July. I went to Key West for a week. This is the foundation I wore every single day, and I would put it on in the morning, go fishing, go out during the day, come back, do a couple little touch-ups, darken up the makeup, and go out in the evening dancing. And I'm telling you, I was pouring sweat, and this still looked good. This will last you through a freaking zombie apocalypse if you need it to. It is very full coverage, and like I said, I do sheer it out with this. I did bring this to Key West with me as well, and when I wanted a little bit later coverage, I would use this. I even went swimming in the swimming pool with this, and it still looked good. This is probably one of my all-time favorite full coverage, long-lasting foundations. I really do recommend it. It can get very cakey very quickly. This does have a learning curve, little bit at a time. Do a little section of your face at a time. I do only use this with a beauty blender. I found with a brush, it's just way too heavy for me and on my drier skin. I do have more normal skin now with like an oily T-zone. So I'm like, I can't live without this in the summer. It's definitely a summer staple, which I think I'm going to be doing I actually filmed it last year. I did my summer essentials video, filmed it, really put a lot of effort into it, got all my stuff. I had bathing suits and sunglasses and food and sunscreen, went to edit it, and I guess halfway through, my camera just stopped recording. And I don't have an external mic. I use the mic on the camera. So it wasn't like, oh, I didn't turn on my mic or died. No, it just stopped working, and I was so upset because I put so much time and effort into that. So I think I'm going to redo that this year and just do like everything I need for the summer. I've done that with winter, and I think I've done a fall essentials. Yeah, I did do a fall essentials before. So anyway, that is PR stuff that I would definitely repurchase with my own money. I will be continuing this series. Maybe once a week I'll pick like 5 or 6 products and talk about them once a week, saying whether or not I'd repurchase them or not. Would you like to see PR products I would not like to repurchase? Does that make sense? Would not like to, yeah. That I wouldn't want to repurchase. Would you like to see that? Let me know down below if you'd like to see like top 5 PR products I wouldn't repurchase and why. But anyway, I love you guys so much. And remember, I have that giveaway going on. So I will link that video here at the end so you can go watch it and see kind of how to enter. I love you so much, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.